Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 40 from chapter 25 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have to figure out how far the lens is from the film in a camera. We know the focal length of the lens, and we know how far away the object is. The flower is the object that we're photographing. Okay, let's make a list of what we know. We know the focal length is 35.0 millimeters. And we know the object distance is 75 centimeters. One of them is going to have to change, so we'll probably just switch the millimeters over. And then the distance between the film and the lens, that's going to be our image distance. That's what we need to find. So we can use the thin lens equation. 1 over f is equal to 1 over dO plus 1 over di. Okay. So we are going to need to make this say 1 over di equals. So we've got 1 over f already on the other side, and all we have to do is subtract the 1 over dO from both sides. Okay. And now we'd like it to say di equals, and so we can multiply both sides by di, and then divide both sides by the 1 over f minus the 1 over dO. So what we get is di is 1 over f minus 1 over dO. And now we just need to put the values in. So f is 35 millimeters, and there are, in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Then we subtract 1 over dO. dO is the 75 centimeters. I did the calculation and I got 3.67 centimeters. That's how far the film needs to be from the camera lens. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.